Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well and fine. Can you all hear me? If you can, then show me a thumbs up. Everyone. All right. Let's start the class with the name of Allah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So what we were discussing yesterday, who will tell me and who will give me a quick review about yesterday's class? Yes, Jafar.
Yes, future tense.
Yes, we were discussing about future tense. Can you tell me more about what we discussed in future tense?
As in future tense.
Yes, which words we use in future tense?
Yes. Yes, got it.
Okay. Anybody else wants to give a try? Abdullah Alvi? Abdullah Alvi? Yes, Abdullah. Can you give a try and tell me what we studied yesterday?
Simple tense.
Simple future tense. But what in simple future tense? हम simple future tense में कौन सा helping verb use करते हैं? Yes, Kanza?
Miss, you said yesterday we studied future tense.
Yes, we studied future tense. Which helping verb we use in future tense? हम कौन सा helping, जैसे हम present में is, am, are use करते थे, past में was, were use करते थे, और future में हम क्या use करते हैं?
Future में we use we will.
Yes, we use will and
Yes.
going to. Remember?
Yes.
Okay, let's start our lecture. I will give you a review. Okay. We use two helping verbs in future tense. The one is going to and the other one is will cook. There are two helping verbs which we use in future tense. First of all, take out any worksheet, any paper or pencil. I'm gonna share helping verbs with you and will tell you with whom we use these helping verbs. Write it down. Yes, write this chart. This is very important for you. Dua, I am saying to write it down in any of your copy or page. When you are done, show me a thumbs up. Dua, there must be some problem at your end. Try to check it. Maybe your internet connection is slow. That's why you can't hear me properly. Can I explain it? All right. So we have three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Try to listen it very carefully and try to understand it. अगर आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा तो your tenses will be very easy for you. See, very simple present tense में आपके तीन helping verbs होते हैं. These are called helping verbs. These are called helping verbs. Let me explain you with a thing. आपका एक टेंस है, he is playing football. All right, this is your sentence. Now let me tell you, he is a subject. He is a subject. Playing is a verb. And football is a object. Football is an object. ठीक है, आपको एक सेंटेंस में पता चल गया which is subject, which is verb and which is an object. Now what is? ये is जो है, the word is, ये क्या है? What is this? ये आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? Basically what is doing here? Is यहाँ पे आपको क्या बता रहा है? Who can anybody tell me कि is यहाँ पे आपको क्या बता रहा है? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Noor.
मुझे लग रहा है प्रोनाउन खिला रहा है
जी,
प्रोनाउन
he, देखें, he is your pronoun and he is a subject. Playing is verb, action हो रहा है तो playing verb हो गया. Football is an object. ठीक है, अब जो इसका word बच गया है, ये यहाँ पे क्या बता रहा है, ये क्या चीज रिप्रेजेंट करे? मैंने आपको क्या बताया था आपके सेंटेंस में? was, were, will, is, am, are, ये आपके टेंस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे होते हैं. ये आपको बता रहे होते हैं कि कौन सी चीज, कौन सा एक्शन किस टाइम में हैपन हुआ है. is यहाँ पे इंडिकेट कर रहा है that this action is happened in present, this action is happened in present. अगर यहाँ पे was होता तो was रिप्रेजेंट करता that this action was happened in past. अगर यहाँ पे will होता तो will रिप्रेजेंट करता that this action is going to be happen in future. तो हर हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो होता है, इसीलिए इसको हेल्पिंग वर्ब बोलते हैं, क्योंकि ये आपकी हेल्प करता है, आपको बता रहा होता है कि ये एक्शन आपका किस टाइम पे हुआ था. दैट्स व्हाई इट कॉल्ड हेल्पिंग वर्ब. अंडरस्टैंड? ये आपकी हेल्प कर रहा है ना, इज आपकी हेल्प कर रहा है, आपको टेंस बता रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई इट कॉल्ड हेल्पिंग वर्ब. अंडरस्टैंड? समझ में आया? Is it clear to everyone? Hello Zara, how are you? Mariam, is it clear to you? Mariam, I ask you to unmute yourself. All right, let's move forward. Let me explain you further. We have only 10 minutes left. Okay, so basically हमारे पास हर टेंस में एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है जो हमारी हेल्प करता है टेंस को बताने में कि कौन सा टेंस है, किस टेंस के बारे में बात हो रही है. So same goes here. Present tense में we have 3 helping verbs which is, am and are. Past tense में we have 2 helping verbs which is was and were. Future tense में we have 2 helping verbs which is will and going to. गोइंग टू के साथ आप इज, एम और आर का यूज करते हैं. मैंने यहाँ ऑलरेडी बता दिया है कि इज, एम, आर कौन से प्रोनाउंस के साथ यूज होता है. ठीक है, ओके. अब आते हैं इसके ऊपर. प्रोनाउन, आपको मैं नाउन और प्रोनाउन का डिफरेंस क्लियर कर दूं. नाउन, किसी भी नेम ऑफ एनीथिंग इज कॉल्ड नाउन, और उस नेम की जगह, जैसे सबरीना इज अ नाउन, सबरीना की जगह इफ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज शी, because Sabrina is a girl, so I'm going to use she instead of Sabrina. So she is the pronoun because I use this word instead of Sabrina. If the name is Ali, so what I'm going to use instead of it? I'm going to use he. So he is a pronoun. Understand? So let's forget about pronouns. Come on the tenses. हम is वाला जो word है, जो is वाला helping verb है, वो हम use करते हैं he, she, it और किसी भी सिंगुलर नेम के साथ. मतलब सबरीना इज अ सिंगुलर नेम, So I'm going to use is with Sabrina. Dua is a singular name. So I'm going to use is with Dua. Zara is a singular name. So I'm going to use is with Zara. For example, Dua is listening to me. Zara is watching the TV. Sabrina is taking a class. Understand? Now come to the word am. In present tense, we use am only with I. M goes with I only. That's it. We cannot use M with any other pronoun. It can only use with I only in present tense. How? See, I am a girl. I am playing. I am watching TV. Have you ever listened? I is a girl or I are a girl? Never, because we can only use M with the I. All right. Now let's come to the R, A-R-E-R. We use R with which pronouns? We use R with you, we, they, or any plural things. Any things which are plurals, we use R with them. For example, classes are going to the picnic. Students are going to playground. Or I can say, me and my friends are going for the lunch. So all these things are in plural. So we use are with them. All right. Now let's come to the past tense. We have two helping verbs in past tense, which is was and were. Very simple here. All the singular things and with the pronoun I, he, she, it, or any singular name, we use was with them. You, we, they, or any other plural thing, we use were with them. Understand? प्रेजेंट में हमारे पास आई के लिए अलग से हेल्पिंग वर्ब था, लेकिन आगे के टेंसेस में हमारे पास आई के लिए कोई भी अलग से हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं होगा. आई के साथ हम वही हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे जो बाकी सिंगुलर वर्ड्स के साथ यूज होगा. ठीक है. Now let's come to the future tense. Future tense में हमारे पास दो helping verbs होते हैं. The one is will and the other one is going to. Will use होता है with all the pronouns, whether it is I, whether it is you, whether it is we, whether it is they, whether it is any singular name, whether it is any plural name. We use will with all of them, and the word going to we put is MR with the going to according to the pronoun. For example, if my sentence is like I dash going to the picnic tomorrow. हम बीच में कौन सा प्रोनाउन, हम बीच में कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाएंगे? I dash going to the picnic tomorrow. Can anybody tell me? I dash going to the picnic tomorrow. Aris, can you give it a try? Uh-oh. Yes, Inaya?
Will you was?
No, Inaya. I dash, no, Inaya. I'm talking about future tense. Future tense. देखो मैंने be के साथ कौन से helping verbs लिखे हैं? Is, am, are. Was, were की तो यहाँ बात ही नहीं हो रही है. Is, am, are. I dash going to the picnic tomorrow. अब मैं I के साथ कौन सा helping verb use करूंगी? Am. Exactly. Very nice. Very nice. अगर मेरा sentence होगा he dash going to the picnic tomorrow. What I will use there?
Is.
Very nice. If I'm gonna say they dash going to the picnic tomorrow, what I will use?
Are.
Very nice. Clap for yourself, Inaya. Very, very nice. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, Hassan.
Teacher, work done.
All right, your work is done. Do you want to ask anything?
No, teacher. काम हो गया.
ठीक है. Anybody want to ask anything related to this? Anything which you cannot understand? Anybody want to ask anything? Mariam, as I cannot see you, I'm not able to know that if you are confused or not. Yes, Mariam, you want to ask something. Yes, Mariam?
Miss, can you put the screen back on? I was doing future tense.
All right, let me see if it's still available. Yes, it is. Yes, Mariam, you can. Yes, who want to ask anything? Kanza, you want to ask something? Kanza, you want to ask anything? All right. Kissa, do you want to ask anything? Where is Kissa? Kissa, you want, okay, Kissa, you done? All right, very nice, Kissa. Kissa, you want to ask anything which all with the things which I explained? Guys, on Monday, I'm going to take your grand test of all the tenses. If you want to ask anything related to any tense, you can ask me till tomorrow. You have a time till tomorrow. If you want to ask anything related to the tenses, you can ask me till tomorrow. After that, on Monday, I'm going to take your grand test. Okay, and it's going to be very difficult for you guys. So any one of you want to ask anything, you can ask me right now or till tomorrow. You have time. All right?
Future,
Yes.
future tense समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
ये कौन बोल रहा है? Who is this?
Future me.
नूर हादी. आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया नूर?
Future tense.
नूर, फ्यूचर टेंस के अंदर आपके दो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं. पहले तो आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब समझें क्या होता है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है जो आपकी हेल्प करता है ये बताने में कि विच टेंस इज यूजिंग. ठीक है, जिस तरीके से सेंटेंस में ही इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल में इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब है आपका, बिकॉज इट इज हेल्पिंग यू टू टेल विच टेंस इज यूजिंग. इसकी वजह से हमें पता चला कि यहाँ प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज हो रहा है. इसी तरीके से फ्यूचर में दो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं. एक होता है विल, एक होता है गोइंग टू. ठीक है, विल आपके सारे प्रोनाउंस के साथ यूज होता है. I will, you will, she will, they will, we will. With all the pronouns we use will. जब हम going to की बात करते हैं, going to से पहले आपके is, am और are लगता है according to the pronoun. अगर going to के साथ I दिया हुआ है तो हम am यूज करेंगे. अगर going to के साथ he दिया हुआ है तो हम is यूज करेंगे. अगर going to के साथ we दिया हुआ है तो हम are यूज करेंगे. गोइंग टू कब यूज होता है? जब आप आगे की प्रिडिक्शन कर रहे होते हैं, जब आपका कोई आपने डिसीजन बनाया हुआ होता है. प्रिडिक्शन नहीं, सॉरी, जब आपने कोई डिसीजन बनाया हुआ होता है या आप कोई कंडीशन लगा देते हैं कि अगर बारिश हुई तो फिर मैं पार्क नहीं जाऊंगा. इफ इट विल रेन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू द पार्क. ठीक है, तब आप गोइंग टू का यूज करते हैं. आप चाहें तो गोइंग टू यूज करें, अदरवाइज यू कैन ओनली यूज विल ऑल्सो. ठीक है, मैं कल ये और थोड़ा सा डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी. Our class time is off. All right, that's it for today. See you tomorrow, everyone. Yes, Zayan, do you want to ask something?
Okay, the class has been ended. I don't want to ask.
No, Zayan, it's okay. If you want to ask anything, you can.
मेरा और future का main.
Can you tell me what is when will be the test?
On Monday.
Okay.
All right, everyone. Yes, Jafar. What?
When you are explaining past tense, past tense and future tense.
It's okay, Jafar. It's okay. That is not a big deal. It's okay. Yes, Abika. Abika, you want to ask something? Okay, everyone. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow.